Today we are going to be unboxing Essentials by Kikarose. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions. Men's, women's, kids, lifestyle, clothing, food, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. So today I have for you, we are gearing up for a 100 subscriber giveaway. So if you are new here, go ahead, click on the little subscribe button and don't forget to click on the little bell notification so you are notified every time I upload a video. Once we reach 100 subscribers, we will be doing a video we will be doing a giveaway. So today I have for you guys Essentials by Kikarose. This has got to be the smallest subscription box I have ever unboxed. I've received envelopes that are tiny, but I don't think I've received a box this small before. Like, it is just so stinking cute. It is a jewelry / essential oil box. They say that they are the best smelling jewelry box in the world, and in each box you are supposed to receive one essential oil jewelry, so like a jewelry that you can put essential oils on. You receive one essential oil blend, and it's their special blend of the month. You receive one essential oil themed gift, and you also receive a healthy lifestyle living tip. They were kind enough to send me this box. The cost of these boxes are $32 a month, which in the realm of jewelry and essential oils isn't that expensive, because essential oils tend to be very pricey. So I don't know, we'll have to see. I will put the value of every item and do a box value at the end, like I always do, to let you know if it's really worth it. Does it meet their does it meet what you're paying for the box? Does it exceed it? They claim that the value of this box is between $50 to $75. So if that is true, then most likely this box will be worth it. So let's open it up, find out what kind of essential oils we have this month, and the jewelry. I love essential oils. I have quite a few essential oils in my collection, and I also have some essential oil based jewelry. And essential oils can be pretty expensive, and so can the jewelry that goes along with it. But I like wearing essential oils throughout the day and having that aroma with me. Alright, so we have a couple little cards on top, and then that is what it looks like. A little tissue paper with their sticker on it. Alright, so this welcome is, it's a little welcome note telling you the theme of the box, which is November Peppermint Buzz. So it says, winter and holiday stress starting to nip at your heels. This month's goodies are here to help. And I think peppermint's supposed to help kind of alleviate some stress. And then here's a little laminated card that says Peppermint Buzz. Studies have shown that smelling peppermint increases blood flow to the brain, which leads to increased cognitive abilities. Peppermint is also believed to enhance energy and lift moods. Well, I know around the holidays, I can always use a boost of energy. Most days I could use a boost of energy, actually. When 3 p.m. rolls around and bedtime seems awfully far away, breathe in some peppermint and give yourself a sweet boost. 2 little items. It's hard to tell in this little bag what's in here. I've never seen a essential oil bottle this tiny before. Oh my goodness. So can you see that? There's like a little line like right there, right above my finger. That's as much essential oils we have, the bottle's not even half full. Man, I feel like that's kind of a ripoff. It smells like just straight peppermint oil to me. But yeah, it's a tiny bottle. It's a tiny bottle and it's just not even half full. That is not boding well for this subscription box. I really wanted to like it, and because they sent it to me, I hate saying negative things about boxes, especially when they send them to me for a review. But I'm gonna be honest, I don't think that this is worth that much money. If it was like the 5 ml bottles, which aren't like the big ones, those are 10, but they're a little bit smaller, I could see it definitely being worth that amount. But this little baby bottle, I mean, it's so tiny. Hold on a minute. Alright, so I went and got some of my other essential oil bottles to show you exactly what I was talking about if you're new to the world of essential oils, and kind of show you a size comparison. So this is kind of the standard size bottle you'll get. I thought it was 10. It's actually 15 milliliters. And then this one is a 5 ml bottle. So here's the size difference. There is quite a bit of a difference, and you know, as you would expect with 15 and 5. And there's also a difference in the diameter. The 15 is bigger around than the 5. And then we have this little baby. Okay? He's tiny. Not just in diameter, but also in height. And then for the fact that it's only full, like, to that little wiggling line there, come on, you could have at least filled it up, right? I mean, there's probably going to be like 10 drops in here. I don't know. Like, okay. Rant over. Let's move on. Maybe it'll make it up somewhere else in here. Also in this little baggie is our jewelry. It's on like a leather, oh dear. It's on like a leather strap, and then we have down here at the end is very pretty. Like a turquoise looking ball wrapped in silver wire. And all their jewelry is handmade, so you're not going to be able to find stuff like this all over the place. But I don't know. So let's see. We have also a little paper in here about the jewelry. It says this turquoise and lava bead pendant is designed to diffuse oils so you can surround yourself with the benefits of aromatherapy. So I guess this little bead up here is your lava bead. And I think that's the one you put the oils onto, and it has like these little craters and pits in it, and they like help absorb the oil so it's not like dripping off onto your clothes or anything. It says take the small bottle included in your order and add a tiny drop to the oil blend to the lava bead on your pendant, and then reapply whenever the scent starts to fade. It does say that the blends, the essential oil blends in here, are made from Young Living essential oils. I know their essential oils are expensive. They claim to be the best, but that's another topic for another day. Multi-level marketing. I'm not even going to get into all of that. But anyhow, I still think they could have provided you with a little bit more essential oils. It does say that the blends, the essential oil blends in here, are made from Young Living essential oils. I know their essential oils are expensive. They claim to be the best, but that's another topic for another day. Multi-level marketing. I'm not even going to get into all of that. But anyhow, I still think they could have provided you with a little bit more essential oils. It does say on the bottom of this paper, if you want to order more oils, you can go to kikaroseoils.com. Then our last item that we have in here, which would be our oil themed gift, is a citrus and mint hand salve. Okay, that smells pretty nice. It's like a yellow looking color. It's very lightly scented. It's not a very strong scent at all. And the citrus in it smells like lemon. Lemon and mint is a very good smell mixed together. So that's a nice little container. So there you have it. $32 a month. I don't think it's worth it right now. I'm kind of disappointed at the essential oils in this box. Like, this is beautiful. I love turquoise, and I will definitely get use out of this. I have lots of lotions right now, so I'm not gonna probably put it in a giveaway, but it is a really nice item. I just don't know if it's worth $32. So I'm gonna do my best to try to price all of this out. And I will put the box value here, or at least my best estimate of the box value here. I'm disappointed. Tell me in the description box below, would you spend $32 for this box, or are you like me and say, no, thank you. I know there's other boxes out there that have essential oils that are very similar price range, and they send you 2 essential oils a month plus jewelry and other items. I just don't think it's worth $50 to $75 for this box. I hate to say this to a company that, you know, just was kind enough to send me a box, but I'm just not finding the value in this box. If you have enjoyed this video, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite smelling essential oil is, and would you purchase this box? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!